All right, welcome back everyone. So I have a special here for you. I acquired this original bankroll, Fifth Avenue Bank of New York. It's at least, I would say, 70, 80 years old. It has both Buffalo nickel enders. Top, you see this one's a 1927, not too bad of a shape. So we're going to go ahead and open these up and see what's what. All right, so let's go ahead and open these up. All right, let's go through these. First one, that is a 1927 out of Philly. Second, let's see, it's like a 1925 out of Philadelphia. Another 25 out of Philly. Then we have a 36, also Philadelphia. Remember, I'll be looking these off screen for any varieties or errors. So 1925 Philly. Let's see, that's a 26 Philly. That one is hard to make out. No mint mark. I'll look down the scope later. You have 1920 out of Philly. A 29 out of Philly. 25, a lot of 25s in this one. This one's out of Philadelphia. 1920. And no mint mark, so that's going to be a Philly. This one. It's like a possible. Oh, it's a 27. It's a Philly. No mint marks, yeah, I'm kind of surprised. So this one is a 1920. Could be a 28, I have to put in the scope. So no mint mark. That's going to be a 27 out of Philly. Another 27 Philly. There's got to be at least one with a mint mark in here. 1920 Philly. Another 20 out of Philly. Oh yeah, that was the ones I already looked at. Let's see. Possibly a 29. Philly. 1920. Philly. $25 Philly. Well, that roll was kind of a bust. So we'll see you next time on the next video.